All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2016 Chevy Camaro. It is the LT Coupe with 33,000 miles. It's beautiful black on black alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Looks great. Your front bumper looks pretty damn nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty decent. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. Your tire thread here is under 730 seconds above 4. This door looks good. This rear door looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice LC curbing. And your tire thread here is under 430 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Got some light scratching around this vehicle. Just need a nice sanding. Actually, I see a dent here on this front driver's door. Less than an inch, but it is there. You got power windows, power door locks, your power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one either. Let me jump into this vehicle, turn it on for you guys. You guys can check on instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. It is a push start system. Turn on the lights. Boom. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your backup camera right here. Pow! AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and there's your mileage of 33,718. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Open up the trunk. Pow! Oh, keeping it moving. Coming around your rear bumper. Looks pretty good. Seems to have a heavy scratch right here, about 2 inches. And then another one next to it, likewise, about 2 inches. Another heavy scratch here, about 4 to 5 inches right here. All right, pretty much it. Here's our rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire. You got your spare, your run flat system right here. You do have your owner's manuals I tucked away back there. Some light scratching here. Yeah, light scratching. The car has multiple light scratching. It looks like snow got on it and they tried to take it off with the shovel. This is typical around my neighborhood. Here's your rear. Here's your rear passenger's rim. Very nice LC curbing on this. So let's check out your tire thread, which is under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. And likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Does have some curbing coming around. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it all. And your tire thread here is under 730 seconds, above 4. All lights are working, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2016 Chevy Camaro LT model with 33,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding, folks.